Oh, hello, everybody. What is going on? It is I, Monkey May Cry from Monkey May Cry TV, and today I'm going to be going over how to set up a live stream or how to record and create videos for YouTube. It sounds like it's a lot to cover. In theory, they kind of all work around the same program, and the same program we're going to be looking at here is Streamlabs OBS here. Very simple, very easy to use. So if you do want to download OBS, it's very simple, very easy. Go on to Google and you're going to put in Streamlabs OBS download, click on the top one. It's not hard to find, and then boom, download Streamlabs OBS. Go and install that and we'll jump straight on into it. Here I am. I think my voice is going to be out of sync because I'm recording through a different piece of software on my other screen. So ignore what you can see right now. It's probably glitched out because I've got like loads of capture software set up. So we're just going to do this, which is going to duplicate my screen, and that will make things a lot easier. So once you've got it opened up, you'll see down here on the bottom left, I have 3 different areas. One of them is when I'm live. This is being used by another application, obviously. This here is when I want to switch through, but don't worry about the scenes. Don't worry about the scenes. Have one scene, and if you're going to be capturing from your PC screen, what you want to do is come into the right side here. You can see I have a webcam, which is not currently up. It's set to invisible there, and then I have a PC screen here, which is what you can currently see. If you wanted to capture through your PS4 or through a console or whatever, you'll click in here, and if you do have the Elgato, which I did show you that's what I use in a previous video, then what you want to do is find your Elgato here. Once it's been set up to your TV, into your PS4 and then into your PC, you'll be able to go to video capture device, and then it will tell you what it is. Here's my PS4. This is my Elgato. Obviously, same thing works with webcam. If you got a webcam, that will pop up right here. But we don't want any of that for now. All we want is the PC screen. So if we come in here, click on the little plus button, and we're going to go over to display capture. Click on that, and it will basically capture what is on your display. As you can see here, it's capturing what is currently on my screen. So once you've got that sorted out, now you're going to want to know how to live stream. There's a little button down here that says go live. Very simple, but first you need to go and set up a few things before you can do this. We're going to do this through Twitch and YouTube because they're the biggest platforms at the moment. Maybe Mixer in the future. Ninja, I don't know about that one. Click down in the cog, just down here into the settings, come up to the stream, and you'll see it says streaming type. We're going to go for streaming services. We're going to do Twitch first, real quick, real easy. Obviously YouTube is there as well. First we're going to do Twitch. I've already got the stuff ready here because that's how fast I am. So here we are over on the bad boy that is known as Twitch, and we're going to come and click up here onto the profile, go to the create a dashboard, and on the left side of the screen you're going to go and see channel along within settings. You get that bad boy, and here is your stream key. I'm not going to show you guys mine. You shouldn't show anybody yours because then they can stream to your channel without you knowing. But if you just control and C, or you can click the copy there, and then if you come into OBS again, we'll put that right in there. Once you've done that, click done. The moment you go live, it will go straight to Twitch. Very simple, very easy. Now we're going to do the same thing, but on YouTube. So let's go and jump on over to YouTube, to which I don't have a tab open up. Let's get in here. So here we are, loaded up YouTube. We're going to go and click on the YouTube Studio Beta. I don't like using the new Studio Beta because it's very confusing. I've been doing YouTube now for over like 2 years, and everything here is just not what I'm used to. So I tend to go and click on classic mode, but because a lot of you guys are probably going to use this one, we're just going to stay in the regular beta mode for now because it's going to be stuck on this forever in the future anyway. So we're going to go come over to other features just here on the left, and we're going to go to live stream now. Not hard to find, it's right there. It's very simple, it's very easy. And as you can see, this is the terrible little thumbnail that I made just for a real quick stream not too long ago. And if we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see this bad boy here. Again, hover over it, control and C, and then if we go back in to this area, we're going to put it in there. You click done, you close it, you click go live, and then you'll go live to YouTube. It's very simple, very easy. But now I'm going to show you guys how to capture footage. So let's say, for instance, I wanted to capture some footage that was a video game that I'm currently playing. So we click the record button just down here and it will capture everything on the screen. So if you're currently playing a game, it will capture that game and it will use leave it to record. Once you have finished recording what you wanted to record, click it again, it will cancel it, the video will save and it will be found inside of your videos. Very simple, very easy. Now that I've gone over OBS, we don't need to be in this anymore. So I'm going to quickly close this off, and what I'm going to do is open up DaVinci Resolve. Here we are. We wait for DaVinci Resolve to open up. It does take a while for me to open this up. So while it's opening up, I'm going to show you guys how you can download this. So if you go into Google like so, DaVinci Resolve. A lot of people seem to have problems with this and I'm not quite sure why. But if we go and click on the first link here at the very top, you'll see it says DaVinci Resolve. You click download and then the new one is 16. So you just get 16. If you're using a Windows or a Mac or whatever, you click on that and then it will ask you to make an account. Just make an account. Just use your name. Use your details. It's not gonna rob anything from you. You don't put your bank details in there. It's just to get an idea of who's using DaVinci Resolve. It's just for them. It's for let them do it. Whatever. Who do we care to judge to what they do? Here's all the previous videos that I have made. And this is one that I'm currently working on. It's a Rust video, and I'll quickly go over how things work here so you guys get a good understanding of how you can put videos together, because when I first opened this up, this was an absolute nightmare and I couldn't figure anything out to save my life. So we got a couple tabs down at the bottom. The main one's going to focus on here is media, edit, and then delivery, which we'll use at the very end. So for the media one, this is where you're going to bring in all your clips from wherever you save them to. So if you had captured some footage using OBS, it will be saved up here inside of your users, and this will open up into videos. That's where mine opens up. I'm sure yours will open up there by default as well, and I'm sure your videos will save from OBS into this section as well. I got a lot of videos in here at the moment because I think I've got like 100 Rust videos that I'm currently going through to try and edit to make this video, so we have to wait here for it to load. And there we go, it's loaded. Okay, very nice. And here we can see these are all the footages that has been recorded, but they're very raw. There's nothing to these footages other than the fact of me and Grizzly just playing and doing what we do best. So what do we do from here, you ask? Well, we pick the footage that we want and we're going to go ahead and drag it down into this bottom section. As you can see, I've already got quite a few clips down here because I already started this video. Once you've dragged them down here, you're then going to go into edit. The footages that you drag down into the bottom are now going to be located up here. And what we're going to do is, let's say I want to grab a small section of this clip here. So I want to grab, what part do I want to grab? I want to grab this part where I'm looking at Grizzly. I'm going to press I to in shot, and then I just want him to walk towards me, and then I'm going to look away from him, and then I'm going to end it there. There's a little section here you can see that I've captured. If I grab that and put it on the timeline, there we are. We press play. What? There we go. Very simple, very easy. Now imagine that, but you grab all the different parts of all the different shots, put it together in a timeline, and then we can like always. One more chance, and then oh no. We ain't never scared, boys. We ain't never scared. Get ready to shoot them. And yeah, we're gonna leave it there for now. You guys get to watch that video when it goes live, but for now it's still the first 40 seconds of what's gonna be a 20-minute video. This didn't take me a long time to do, but you know, some things can take longer than others depending on how much effort you want to put into something. It's all down to you. As you could hear, I did add some music in there. I got some music that I saved from the internet. Very simple, very easy. I'm going to quickly show you that method, how I grab music from YouTube or whatever. Let's go and do that. So here we are on YouTube, and I want some sad royalty-free music. And here we are. So we're always going to go for license-free music. That way we don't anger the YouTube beasts. And we're going to click on this one. And you know what? Damn. That sounds pretty damn emotional. I really want that. That is absolutely amazing. This is a good song. And what we're going to do here is I'm going to quickly grab the URL up here, Control and C, which we'll obviously copy. I'm going to open a new tab, and I've got this little website here that I like to use. This is what I use to convert a lot of YouTube songs into formats that I can use. So here we are. Put the URL in there. Convert to MP3. We wait the timer. Almost there. And there we go. It is done. This is a sad emotional piano, and if I wanted this, I would click download. It would then download, and then we would go and find it in my files. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, emotional sad piano music, but I don't want you. It was all a big conspiracy to make it look like that's what I wanted, but I don't. But once you have downloaded it, what you're then going to do is come back into your Resolve, go into your media, and then you're going to go and have to find it. I'm going to go into my users. I'm going to click on me, which is Monkey May Cry, and then I'm going to go to downloads. It will be located in my downloads. As you can see, I had some fighting sound effects. Hot damn, that's pretty good. Once you have then done your video, your little edit, let's say I wanted to use the start of this. So I'm just going to come in there, and then I'm going to go out there. Remember, it's I and O for in and out. And this is the section that I now want to use. We'll go to delivery. Very, very simple. And I want it for YouTube, so I want it to be a high quality, because I don't want to post out no low quality blurriness. So, you know, we're gonna go for high quality there. And I'm gonna go to best, because YouTube doesn't restrict you on file sizes, so you may as well just have it the best it can be. It'll take a little bit longer to render. It'll take a little bit longer to render, but you know, it's what it's all about. So we're gonna add to the render queue. I'm always saving my stuff into my finished edits. Click save, and then up here, this is the render I'm gonna start, and then we'll wait the time limit. This is gonna take a lot longer than usual for the fact that I'm currently recording my screen and capturing and saving stuff, but we'll just have to wait for it to be done. So there we are. Let's pretend this got done, because I'm not waiting that time for a video that I don't want. So once your video has been saved and it's all been complete and you want to go and upload to YouTube, you're going to come into YouTube. In the top right up here, you're going to see create or post a video. Click on that, upload video. You are then going to select the file. And remember, I saved mine into finished edits. So we're going to go and find finished edits. And let's pretend it's... Oh no, it started uploading like 20 seconds of this. And so there we are. The video is uploading. You give it a name, you give it a title, you give it some tags, you publish, and job is done. That is the end of this tutorial. I thank you all for watching. I hope this has helped. I've tried to make it as short and as quick and as simple as possible. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like. If you do want to know how to make thumbnails using GIMP, I have got other videos up there. If you do want to see my setup of everything that I use and my specs on my computer, I've also got a video up as well. I'll leave those links at the end of this video. But yeah, I'm Monkey May Cry. This has been Monkey May Cry TV, and peace. This guy. Damn, he knows how to play. Do you play, or do you play? Are you a gamer? Or, oh my god, look at him. He's got the skills. He's got the skill. Why are you even watching my video? You could just watch this dude. This dude shows you how to do it. He knows what he's doing. Look at him. Look at the way he knows what he's doing. I wish I was him and I knew what I was doing.